I'm home. I'm home from work. I do a great job at work. I do the best job I can at work. And while I'm there, I seem to store all this stuff. There's all this stuff that is a part of me that is who I am, but isn't accepted in the norms of work. The social norms of work. And so I am here reminding everybody that when you get off work, it might just be the best thing for you to it feels so much better. It feels good. Alright. It's time to relax. Let's go! Kicking off the shoes. Time for some food.